Okay, so the first step is to draw a large curved line going down. Then do the same on the other side and have it connecting at the top, but make sure you leave a gap at the bottom. And this is basically going to be the outside shape of the rocket. Next we're going to move on to the fins. So draw two curved lines going down from the side of the rocket. Then move down a bit and draw two more curved lines going down. Then all you need to do is connect these two lines at the bottom. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is draw two straight lines across. And if you're drawing this on paper, then sketch really lightly so you can erase this bit afterwards. Then go to the center and draw two small lines. Then all you need to do is connect these two lines with two large curved lines. Okay, now that we've finished doing the fins, we can go back to the main shape of the rocket and close off the bottom. So just draw two small lines across. Next we need to move down a bit and draw another shape at the bottom of the rocket. Now this is where the flames will come from once the rocket has actually launched. So draw two lines that are slanting and then two straight lines across. And then if you want, just for decoration, you can add more lines going across as well. Then we need to go up and draw a window. So what we're going to do is draw a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then on the inside, draw another smaller circle. Okay, so the next thing you can do if you want is draw two small lines at the bottom and then one line at the top. And the purpose of this is later on, if you decide to color the rocket, you can use these different segments for different colors. And another thing you can do, which is optional, is give your rocket a face. And that's it, how to draw a cartoon rocket. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you're new, remember to subscribe.